And for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make lemon cookie ice cream cake. The ingredients that we need are 15 lemons or limes, 1 cup of water, coffee, sweet condensed milk, evaporated milk, 2 packs of Maria's cookies, biscuits, a lemon squeezer, and a glass container. So let's begin. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut up our lemons in half. The next step is to squeeze all the lemons and put the lemon juice in a cup. The next part is we're going to heat up our cup of water as we are going to prepare our coffee. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to open our sweet condensed milk and evaporated milk and pour the condiments into a blender along with our squeezed lemon juice while we heat up the water in the microwave for 2 minutes. Once the water is heated up, you're going to prepare your coffee. The next thing we're going to do is, with our coffee and our cookies, we're going to dip the cookies in the coffee and lay them out like that. You're going to do 2 layers of cookies, and then you're going to pour 1/3 of the lemon mixture into the glass container. Now it's time to pour the lemon mixture on top. You're only going to pour 1/3 of it. And begin layering the cookies again. We're going to do this 2 more times. The last thing to do is to just put this into the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours and you're good to go. This is the end result and it is now ready to be served. For the taste test. Pretty good, and I definitely recommend making this for the summer because it's going to be really hot and it's perfect for those that really love lemonade. It's perfect. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Comment down below what you guys think. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.